Yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a paycenter to set balance. So with paycenter POS, you can set your balance. Here is the app paycenter. So let's click on it and login door. Now see my paycenter app. So what we're going to do here now, we're going to scroll it to the left hand side. Scroll it to this side. Wow. You can see apply for loan, insurance, immigrations, wallet transfer, loyalty, balance, inquiring. So we have many things here. We have loan, apply for loan. If you want to know, if you want me to do video about this apply for loan, you can comment on the comment section below. Or if you want to know anything you want to know about this section, you can comment below so that I will do video of that one. You can do wallet transfer. You can transfer from your wallet to other center wallet. This wallet transfer. So if you want, then I will show you how to do it so that when you are transfer, you will not make mistake. So I want to withdraw now. I want to set my balance. So I want to use one of my customers' ATM card. One of my customers want to set a balance. So I want to set balance. Just wait. Now click on balance inquiry. See it here. Balance inquiry. Balance inquiry. Click on it. Connect your normal connection. Connect to your PIN pad. Has been connected successfully. Savings account. So I click savings. Then proceed. Give to the customer to put in PIN. Just wait, it's processing now. You see, balance, available balance 6 naira Jesus. Hey. Thank you all. You can subscribe to my channel and you can share this video. Anything if you want me to do video about the rest of them that I explained to you, if you want to know about the loyalty and anything, I can explain more for you. Thank you all.